Today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla cake. Here I have cacao flour, salt and baking powder. Here I have room temperature butter. First I will beat the butter on low until it's nice and creamy. Now add sugar and beat on low until it's fluffy. Add eggs one by one and beat, and finally add vanilla. Now I will alternate between the flour and the milk and beat. First I'll start with the flour. I will add some of that. Finally, I will transfer it into a baking pan. I grease the pan with butter and dust it with the flour. And before you bake it, just tap it a few times so the large air bubbles will escape. And bake at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. And leave it on a cooler rack for 10 minutes before you take it out. I made two. And I'm using here buttercream icing. See my tutorial on how to make buttercream icing. I put inside between the cakes, and I'm using it for decoration. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment, and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.